Hey there, we're in the kitchen today making another simple classic favorite, brownies, because everyone loves brownies. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy the video. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get updated every time we get new videos. Here we go. So our list of ingredients today on the counter is really short today. We have 1/2 cup of melted butter. It's cooled down a little bit so it's not super hot. We've got 2 eggs with a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just put in there with it. 1 cup of white sugar, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of AP flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to mix it in a pot today because, as you see, the mixer fits to the edges of the pot really well, whereas a bowl, you kind of have to work it a little bit more. So, here we go. Alright, so to get started here, we're just going to take the butter and we're going to pour it over into the larger pot so that we have room to work with it. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the 1 cup of sugar. The 2 eggs and the vanilla. We're going to beat it together. Okay, once that's in, we're going to go ahead and follow up with the cocoa powder and the flour, and go ahead and add in the salt and the baking powder. Alright, so there we have it, the basic brownie batter. So I went ahead and greased and then buttered an 8x8 pan, and we're just going to rake the batter into it, let it settle evenly for the most part, and then throw it in the oven at 350 degrees. So there we have it, and we're ready to go into the oven. Preheated to 350 degrees, we'll come back and check on it 25 minutes. Alright guys, we're back, and it's been about 25 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and pull this out of the oven. I just stuck a knife in it right here to make sure that it was done. Came back clean, so we are good to go. And there you have it. That's how you bake brownies. Alright, well that wraps us up on how to make brownies. As I mentioned, feel free to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get updated. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.